In this video, I will show you how you can clone apps on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just search this. Now just tap on Dual Messenger, and under the Advanced Features, just tap on Dual Messenger. And from here, just enable the toggle for the app which you want to clone. For an example, if you want to create a clone of the WhatsApp app, just enable the toggle for WhatsApp and select Install. Tap on Confirm and enable this toggle. And after that, just tap on Next and select OK. Now just do that for the apps for which you want to create a clone of. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the app drawer, as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the WhatsApp app. Now, if your tablet does not have this feature or if your preferred app is not available in this list, then just follow the next method. For that, just go back to Settings, but this time in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just tap on Secure Folder. Under More Security Settings, just tap on Secure Folder, then tap on More. Now just tap on Continue, then tap on More, and tap on Next. Now just wait for a couple of seconds until you create the secure folder on your tablet. Now from here, just set a password for your secure folder. For an example, I'll select the pattern. Now from here, just create a pattern for your secure folder. Then tap on Continue. And after that, just draw the pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Then tap on Confirm. Now from here, just tap on Next. And after you create the secure folder on your tablet, you will enter into the secure folder. Now to clone apps using secure folder, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now from this list, just select the app for which you want to create a clone of. For an example, let's create a clone of these apps. Now after you select the app which you want to clone, then tap on Add. As you can see, we have successfully added the selected apps to the secure folder. Now from here, just tap and hold on the app and select Add to Home Screen. Select Add and do that for the apps for which you want to create a clone of, just like that. Now if you go to your home screen, you will find the cloned apps on your home screen. As you can see, these are the original apps. Now this was the second method, but if you're using an older Samsung tablet, your tablet might not support secure folder. So in that case, just follow the third method. For that, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your tablet. Then tap on Open and select Agree and Continue. Tap on Continue. Now just give this app all these permissions. Now after that, just tap on Start, and from here, just select the app for which you want to create a clone of. For an example, let's create a clone of these apps. After you do that, then just tap on Add to Parallel Space and select Accept. And as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of these selected apps. Just like that. And this is how you can clone apps on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.